The battery. Okay.
Okay, hi, my name is Lori and this is my husband Ken. We're here at SWAN Rehab because we have a 19-year-old son who had a massive stroke 14 months ago. Since then we've been at 3 different places doing therapy, attempting to get back the left side of his body, first starting with his leg, which was paralyzed, and now 13 months later we've come to SWAN to work on his left arm and hand, because his major problems right now all involve the left side of his body and specifically his hand.
Therapists have done a really amazing job treating him with a lot of respect. He's a 19-year-old, almost 20-year-old kid who didn't find as many young people back east in Connecticut where we were. He's really gravitated toward them. They've treated him really well in a very short period of time. In 10 days they've done work that we haven't seen anywhere close to back in Connecticut, and he's actually responded to many of the exercises and the therapy that they've administered on his left hand and arm, so we're encouraged that things will keep going if he decides he wants to continue to push himself along in the way that the therapists have started encouraging him to do so.
And we have experienced other inpatient therapy. We were at Spalding in Boston for a month and a half, and
outpatient in Connecticut.
Right, and inpatient in Connecticut, and we have certainly seen that SWAN was well worth us spending the time and energy, not to mention the money, that goes into helping someone like Sam. And on his 10th day here, he actually began to move his left hand in a way that we hadn't seen move, and we were unclear whether that would ever happen. And it certainly wasn't some spontaneous recovery. It had to do with the serious therapy and the repetitive stuff that these therapists have been able to make him do, and attempt to motivate him such that he can continue to go home and continue his recovery after spending the time here. So we're very, very thankful that we're here.
We're hoping he's got a real jump start.
Thank you. Boy, just in the nick of time.